Hi everyone, I'm Hindu Abhilash and I welcome you to another insightful video at Tiju's Academy. ഒരു ഭാഷ പഠിക്കുന്നത് ഒരേ സമയം ആവേശകരവും എന്നാൽ വെല്ലുവിളി നിറഞ്ഞതുമാണ്. I'm here to discuss the most three common difficulties that beginners often encounter while dealing with English and some tips to overcome those difficulties. First one, vocabulary. Building a strong vocabulary is essential, but it is overwhelming for beginners. അതിനെന്താണ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്? Let us start to speak with basic words related to day-to-day activities and gradually expand to complex words. For example, label items around you with their English names. Remember, little progress each day adds up to a big progress. Second one, pronunciation. English pronunciation കുറച്ച് ട്രിക്കിയാണ് due to its varied phonetic role. Some words are pronounced differently than they are actually spelled. For example, environment അല്ല അത് environment ആണ്. അടുത്തത് Wednesday അല്ല Wednesday ആണ്. ഇതുപോലെ പ്രൊണൗൺസിയേഷൻ കറക്റ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ നമ്മൾ ചെയ്യേണ്ടത് listen to native speakers as well as practice English by speaking and reading out loud. ഈ ടിപ്സിലൂടെ പ്രൊണൗൺസിയേഷൻ പഠിക്കുന്നത് ഒരു ശീലമാക്കി എടുക്കുന്നത് നല്ലതാണ്. Third one, grammar. English grammar can be challenging, especially for the learners whose native language have different sentence structure. So let's focus on learning some basic grammar structure, verb tenses and sentence structure. ദിവസേനയുള്ള പരിശീലനവും ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് കോണ്ടന്റ് ഉള്ള ബുക്സും സിനിമകളും സഹായിക്കും. So, embrace the process and be patient with yourself. Rome wasn't built in a day, and the same goes for mastering a new language. Remember, with determination, practice and a positive mindset, you will soon find yourself speaking English with confidence and ease. Thank you for watching and we'll meet you in yet another video of Tiju's Academy.